What's going on, guys? Enzo here. Take a look at this rough piece of land right in front of me. It's a complete mess right now, but our massive project starting today is to completely renovate this lot and turn it into our official machine testing ground. But to tame this wild patch, we need a serious piece of equipment. Enter the HUAYEE HY16C. We are talking about a 1,600 kilogram, roughly 3,527 pound, commercial-grade beast. It sits on a tight 43-inch wide chassis, meaning it's compact enough for tight spots, but heavy enough to do real damage. Let's do a quick pre-start inspection from my view. I'm popping this rear cover. Check out this heavy one-piece pressed metal mesh cover. Feel these edges. HUAYEE lined it with these thick rubber-sealing shock-absorbing strips. That stops the metal-on-metal rattling when we are revving high. Now look right in there. That is the gold standard for mini power, a genuine Kubota D7223 3-cylinder diesel engine. It's a 722 cubic centimeters, 14 horsepower plant. Operating this in the US or Canada means peace of mind. Why? Because if I need a fuel filter or an oil seal, I can grab it down the street. It's ultra reliable, runs incredibly clean, and saves a ton on diesel. Jumping into the pilot seat. Now take a look out the front window from my POV. This ground is absolutely packed with nasty rocks. We can't just start digging deep trenches right away, or we'll ruin the site grading. Phase 1 is strictly clearing out these heavy boulders and scraping the top layer so we can actually run proper digging tests later. Because I'm working around so much rock, these side-mounted hydraulic pilot controls are a lifesaver, giving me millimeter precision to pry these rocks out without jerking the machine. And notice the front arm, that boom cylinder is completely top-mounted, with all these sharp rocks tumbling down as I dig. Having that cylinder on top means zero risk of collision damage. It is perfect for this kind of brutal clearing work. Alright, settling back into the operator's station. This adjustable seat lets me slide back perfectly for my height. Now look at my dashboard console layout here. HUAYEE built this for real operators who spend long days in the dirt. My water flask goes right into the cup holder, my phone clips secure into the integrated holder, and I'm plugging my phone into this built-in USB charging port right now. Everything's within arm's reach and looking straight up past my visor. That's a rock-solid 4-leg steel canopy. This gives you real overhead protection from standard job site falling hazards or severe weather, keeping you safe and compliant. Now watch this. I am parked dead parallel to this brick wall. I can't rotate the main house or I'll smash the canopy. So I stomp on this foot pedal. Look at that boom swing. That is the swing arm function in action, turning 44 degrees to the left and 46 degrees to the right. I can keep my chassis perfectly straight, swing the arm, and trench directly against the foundation wall. This flexible operating range completely overcomes narrow space limitations. If you do foundation work or utilities in tight residential spaces, this single feature pays for the machine on job number 1. Start. We cleared a good chunk of the heavy debris, but guys, this is just episode 1. We have a massive amount of work left to fully transform this rough patch into a professional testing facility. We are going to be dropping a whole video series updating you on the entire renovation process using this HY16C. So hit subscribe, check out www.huayusa.com, and I'll see you guys in episode 2 when we start digging deep.